Want to manage user access more effectively? In this video, we'll show you how to create a customized role in Neovo Manager, step by step. Let's get started. First, click into the Role Management section. Next, select Quick Permission Settings. Here you'll notice that default roles are fixed and cannot be modified. If you want to adjust permissions or set a custom role name, simply create a new customized role instead. Exit this page and return to Role Management. Now, click Add Customized Role. Enter your desired role name. You can also choose to apply settings from an existing role if you prefer. Check the drop-down list to see the default roles you can apply settings from. In this example, we'll create a brand new role from scratch and name it Tutorial. Once the role is added, go straight to the Permissions page to manage and customize its access settings. There are three main permission categories: Org Management, Device Management, and Page Management. Since this role is focused on managing displays, we'll enable all permissions under Device Management. Next, go to Page Management. For a display management role, you must tick the last two options. View the settings of group and tags, and view the list of groups and tags to ensure proper access. Once all permissions are set, make sure to save the settings to apply your changes. Next, return to the Organization section and open the Users tab. You can either add a new user or select an existing one, then assign the tutorial role you just created to that user. After setting up the role and assigning it to the user, log out of Neovo Manager and sign back in using the new tutorial role account. When logged in with the tutorial role, you'll see that the user does not have access to organization or role management pages, but does have full control over displays. That's the power of custom roles, giving you the flexibility to control who can do what. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and create roles that work best for your team.